omnibus search. Kasi, ano yung omnibus search? Parang random search, maski saan na lang, maski saan na lang. Hindi po pwede kasi maski sa search warrant, kailangan mo i-identify yung particular place lang. Okay? Bakit kailangan ganito? Kasi sa batas po kailangan reasonable yung search. Yung pag-search pa lang invades the privacy of other persons. You are already invading the property rights of other persons. So the police, in obeisance to its duty to enforce the law, is allowed latitude by the law to enter the property, but it must be reasonable entry. Dito, reasonably ba? Sabi ng presidente natin, wala daw armas, maski isa. Ngayon lang, after nung nag-declare niya, pero yung iba nga, may armas pa. Pero yung nakita ninyo, day 1 up to day 5, no? Armado, pati nga si General Torre, kitang-kita ninyo, na may ano yan, bit-bit yan sa kanyang likod, tsaka meron yang dito. Oo. So, siguro po, Mr. President, hindi kayo nabigyan ng tamang. Lang po ako nakakita na yung justification nila na mananatili dahil sa heartbeat. Oo. Yung heartbeat nung una doon sa JMC compound. Oo, sa likod. Kaya ano nila. Tapos sunod sa cathedral na naman yung heartbeat. Tapos doon na naman sa kabilang office namin. Heartbeat. Oo. So, wala pa po yan sa ating saligang batas. Na yung heartbeat ang justification mo para magiging probable cause mo. Kaya nga, sabi ng korte doon sa TPO, kailangan ng judicial imprimatur yan. Pag-usapan natin yan sa korte. Halika, pag-usapan nga natin. Bakit, ganito siguro ang gagawin ng korte. PNP, bakit ba ayaw mo umalis dyan? You give me the reason. Tapos, tatanungin dito, Attorney Torion, anong objection mo dito? Di sisabi ko yung objection ko. Yan. Tapos, magsiset yan ng parameters yung korte kasi wala ito sa batas natin No? Violation ito sa ang mga ginagawa nila dito kasi invasion ng property rights. Ngayon, may mga equipo silang dinadala dito, metal detector na. Akala ko ba tao ang hinahanap? Bakit pa yung mga metal detectors na? Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo? And, di ba dinideny nila yung usage ng drones? Nagmirakulo si Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kahapon, bigla na lang may nahulog na drone. Tapos, nahulog yung drone. Nakuha nung isang media personnel, no? Nakuha, siya yung nakakuha, nahulog lang bigla. Tapos, kukunin ng pulis. Sabi niya, hindi. I-inform natin si Attorney Torion. Pinuntahan ko yung drone. Kinuha ko. Tapos sabi niya, sir, pwede ba yung masauli sa amin? Bakit ikaw bang may-ari? Sir, sa PNP po yan. Sigurado ka ikaw nagsabi na sa PNP yan ha? Ay, hindi sir. Pag-utusan na po ako. So, kunin mo sa akin, sigurado ka, sasama ka? Hindi po sir. So, ako magdadala dito ha. Dinala ko. So, pinicturan ko, nandun na sa aking Facebook, tapos, anong gagawin ko doon? Article 719 of the Civil Code, no? Kung merong mga movable property, na lost property, kung anon yung owner, i-remit ko doon sa City Hall. So, pina-receive ko doon sa City Hall. So, yung PNP or sino mang may-ari nun, i-claim mo yun sa City Hall. Okay? Sigurado ako wala nang mag-claim. Kasi kung sino mag-claim nun, sigurado ko kakasuhan din namin. No? Kasi, kaya, gift na siguro yun sa City Hall. The City sabi ko may sex layer sa loob. Tsaka Daily Tribune on secret rooms. No? Itong sex layer, yung Sun News Agency, perhaps this is American, so I have to UK-based, the people in the United Kingdom, if you are listening right now, I am Attorney Israelito Torion, and I am telling you the report made by Sun News Agency that there is a sex layer here isn't true. It is not true whatsoever, and that report was aired without getting our side. The rooms which were shown on TV are actually the rooms of the workers of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ. And I hope that you would understand that even if the Philippines is a third world country, KOJC can actually afford nice rooms for its members because one of the occupants there happens to be a lawyer, a lady lawyer, and some lady workers of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ. I would request Sun News Agency of the United Kingdom that before you air out news, sir, madam, you please get the side of the KOJC because this can mislead the people, and airing out news without getting the side of the other party is not journalism. That is propaganda. So I hope that you will not engage in propaganda rooms. The rooms there, I don't know what underground you are referring to. We have difficulty now in penetrating the JMC basement where alleged drilling are being conducted. I would request the media, if you would like to accompany me, we will request later on the PNP to give us access because we have not been given access to go into the JMC basement. And we will go together and we will try to request access with the PNP and search together with you, no? So that if there is no drilling, then we will be happy. And if there is, okay, then at least we can confirm it in the spirit of truth. Okay? So, after this, press conference, we will try to contact the head of the PNP, whoever is in charge here now. In the last press conference, I noticed that General Nicolas Torres is no longer the one conducting the press conference. Another general is already conducting the same. Then I call out to him to please give us access, sir, no? So that the media can likewise see and confirm whether or not there is drilling, because we could not really confirm. We can only hear drilling machines being operated, and we could not see for ourselves whether or not it is true. I hope and pray that this is not true. I would like to call out also One News. No, I think there is a representative of One News here who reported that there is an underground tunnel. Allegedly, no, correct me if I'm wrong. If you did not, I'm very sorry. No, but it was reported to me that there is the One News, without getting our side again, reported that there is an alleged tunnel from Cathedral to the hangar, and this was aired on TV without getting our side again. So this afternoon, we will try to request the PNP General. I will not request. Please, I will let One News request the PNP General to give us access to the basement of JMC. And I would like to request politely One News to lead the, the team of media personnel and guide us to this tunnel from Cathedral to hangar, so that it can be shown to the people whether or not there is indeed a tunnel from the cathedral to hangar. No? So in the spirit of fairness and truthfulness, so that we will again be reminded that before reporting out the news, please again get the other side of the story so that you can give the people real news, not propaganda. What we will do now is, please, if you can contact the new general who is apparently a new head in this operation, to give us access to the JMC basement, and perhaps we can go together and find this tunnel from Cathedral to hangar in the spirit of fairness and truthfulness. Would you be able to assist us in that?
Attorney, we're not the ones who wrote it, so I'm really sure I can answer that. But it was by Philstar.
Yes,
That's a
please.
little bit of it's confusing me. I'm a member of the media.
Yeah.
Maybe we have a lot of sources kasi. If we do report like this, we are very thankful that you are doing this right now, no?
Yes.
Clarifying. But it is not our job to facilitate everything. We are, bombarded with a lot of information.
Yes.
So,
But
we are very, very thankful, attorney, na ginagawa nyo na ito ngayon.
Yes,
Pero wag
yes.
naman sana na parang hinihinga nyo din yung trabaho namin. Dahil
No.
nire-report namin.
If you feel offended
This is
because of
very
that,
offending.
if you feel offended because of that, my apologies. It was not meant to offend anyone. It is meant to ferry out the truth that since One News reported that, we would like
Sir, it's
we would
not
like
One
to know
News. It's not One News. I'm so sorry, Attorney. It's by Philstar, and again, we also just released
carried
the
out by
platform.
One News on TV. Philstar, did I
Wrote
get you
the
right?
article.
Wrote it and carried out on TV by One News.
Sir, I think it's a bit different. It was a platform. One News served as a platform for the Philstar article. So
Ah,
technically,
okay.
One News wasn't the one who wrote.
Try to contact the PNP to give us access to JMC basement so that we can verify if
Yes,
there is
yes,
that
that's
tunnel.
the
Okay?
good idea.
So to learn from them, that's why I requested them. Now, if that is offensive to you, what we will do is that we will request the PNP together and call perhaps the PNP, sir, can you give us access to the JMC basement so that we can confirm if there is this tunnel from Cathedral to Hangar? Would that be fair to you? Okay? So, last, yes.
Mga abogado, kulang na po masyado yung
Yes.
namin.
Attorney Nay, pwede
Mirakulo na lang po na medyo pogi pa rin kami.
Thank you po.
Pwede ba suggest? Yung
Yes, ma'am.
problema sa design po about the tunnel and everything, no? You can ask naman the city building office because before this edifice was constructed, you submitted the building plan. So
Kaya nga,
it's all this photo.
nagtaka kami,
Why
ma'am,
don't
kasi
you show us the building plan instead?
nagtaka nga kami
Mas
kasi
better
yung
yun.
building plan namin, wala namang tunnel.
Can you show us the
Oo.
building plan ba?
We will try to secure that from the authorities of the KOJC. We will try to do that, no?
That's a government document that will level it off the ground.
Okay. Metal detector, yung iba kasi hindi talaga pinapakita sa amin eh. Nakita niyo naman sa mga videos na may mga gamit sila, may commotion sandali nung 4 o'clock in the morning, ayaw nila ipakita sa amin, hindi talaga namin alam, no? Sa JMC basement, wala din kaming what you call this access. One last matter na lang itong deployment ng army, no? Somebody clarified from SMNI as to whether or not it is true because under our constitution, the armed forces of the Philippines can only be called out in cases of lawless violence, rebellion, no? Nandyan yan sa ating constitution. Ang reply naman ng army is that they are here to assist only in the maintenance of peace and order. Hindi sila kasali po sa arrest warrant. So para lang maklarify, in the spirit of truth and veracity, no? Yun pala. Kinonfirm nila na may army daw. As to hindi ko kasi talaga ma-determine kung army o hindi. May iba siguro naka-civilian, I don't know, no?
But that was confirmed that the army sent their troops.
There was a text message.
Colonel Di Maala.
There was a text message sent to me, but it is not it's not of my personal knowledge. It was only forwarded to me, no? And please, if we want really personal knowledge, I hope somebody from us can call Colonel Di Maala to confirm this, no? But I requested the person who forwarded it to me to secure the consent of the AFP if we can inform the people so that there will be no confusion. And allegedly, he granted the request that the people should be informed. And yes, it has no legal basis. But then again, who am I to say that, that it should not be done? No, I am not the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Maybe that's his decision as to whether or not it has basis. That's up to him.
Are you saying, Attorney?
The army is here because there is an instruction from the Commander-in-Chief, and the Commander-in-Chief is the President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Attorney, ilan pa ang members doon sa loob? KOJC.
I have not done an actual count yet, but there is still a number.
Estimated number.
I could not give you an estimate, but there are still a great number of members here inside.
Sir,